Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. TCS is again hiring for the fresher candidates. So let us get started with this video. You can see the registration end date is 2nd of November 2021. Test date will be start from 19th of November 2021 onwards. Interview date that will be announced later after your test completion. Okay, so you need to register first till 2nd of November. After that, once you register, you will get the details about your aptitude test, and once you crack your aptitude test, then you will get details related to your interview. So you need to click here to register for this drive. So TCS Smart Hiring for the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, so who are the eligible candidates? So TCS Smart Hiring is exclusively for BCA, BSc in BSc Math, then Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, then BVOC in CSIT from the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, students who perform exceptionally during our TCS Smart Hiring selection process will get an opportunity to join TCS Ignite, that is TCS Unique Science to Software program. Okay, so this program trains you on trending technologies and will open the doorway to a holistic and global IT career for you. There, once you get selected, you will get an opportunity to join the TCS Ignite, that TCS Unique Science to Software program, and in that program you will they will train you on the trending technologies. For more details, kindly refer the test eligibility section below, so we will check it later. So application process for TCS Smart Hiring is: step 1 is log on to TCS next step portal. You need to click here. Let me open that link in the new tab. So it's loading. So first of all, you can see the register now button. Okay, so click on that. Then after that, what they have mentioned: register and apply for the TCS Smart Hiring process. Suppose if you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. It means, let me go back to the initial page. So if you are already registered, let me do this one. Yeah, if you are already registered user, then kindly log in. You need to click here, login. If you are already registered, you need to enter your reference id you will get on your mail id and password. Okay, using reference id and password, you can log in into this next step portal. Okay, then upon submission, kindly click on apply for drive. If you are already registered, you need to log in here, and then once you log in, then you need to click on apply for drive. If you are a new user, kindly click on register now, means here. If you are a new user, click on register now button. Choose the category as IT. You need to select this one. You need to select the first one, that is IT, and proceed to fill your details. Submit your application form and click on apply drive. You need to fill all these details. Okay, so you need to give all these details, and then you need to click on submit button. Then reference id, you will get reference id on your mail id, and once you get login, again you need to click on apply for drive. Then select your mode of test: in center or remote. In center means you need to visit to a particular center to give this online aptitude test. Otherwise, it will be remote. Remote means work from, you can give this test from home only. Okay, so it's better to choose remote, because from the if you select remote option, that means you can give your test from your home only, and then click on apply. So to confirm your status, okay, this is application process. So to confirm your application status, track your application. There will be an option, track your application. The status should be reflected as applied for drive. If you see this status applied for drive, that means you have successfully applied for the TCS Smart Hiring application process. So important note, you must have all your original documents as applicable, like mark sheet and degree certificate. Then communication related to the test will be shared with you by TCSIN. Then test mode, that is in center or remote, once selected at the time of apply for drive, cannot be changed later. Then TCS does not send job offers or any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail. Okay. Then TCS does not request candidate to deposit any money for job offers, and TCS is not associated with any external agency or company to conduct any interviews to make offers of employment on its behalf. Okay. So these are all about the application process and all. So now we will check what is the test eligibility. Courses and discipline, full-time graduates from BCA, BSc, in that as I mentioned earlier, math, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, biochemistry, computer science and IT. Then BVOC in CSIT from the 2020, 2021 and 2022 year of passing are eligible. Student from NIOS standard 10th and standard 12th can also be a part of the test if they have a full-time graduation. Percentage required, student should have CGPA of 5 or 50% throughout academics in 10th, 12th and above mentioned graduation streams. Backlogs, arrears or ATKT for year of passing 2022. Only students from the year of passing 2022 are allowed one active backlog at the time of appearing for the exam. You should have only one backlog. This backlog should be cleared within the stipulated time duration to be eligible for TCS Smart Hiring. Students from year of passing 2021 and 2020 should have completed the course with no pending backlogs. Okay. For these candidates 2021 and 2020, no backlogs are allowed, and for the 2022 you should have it's okay if you have one backlog, but it should be cleared within the stipulated time. Then gap or break in education, it is mandatory for student to declare the gaps in education if any. If you have any gap, then you need to give the clarification. The overall academic gap should not exceed 2 years. Okay. Then extended education, students should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. And please note this point, that TCS will be conducting eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. If a student is found ineligible at any stage, TCS reserve every right to not to proceed with the candidature. Okay. So please give your all the correct details. Test pattern, test provider is TCSIN NQT National Qualifier Test. NQT is National Qualifier Test, is the test provider for TCS Smart Hiring process. Test pattern will be verbal ability, which will have 24 questions and 30 minutes of time. After that, reasoning ability, 30 questions and 50 minutes of time. Then numerical ability, you will get 26 questions and 40 minutes. 40 minutes of time. So total 80 questions and time will be allotted 120 minutes. So this is the test pattern. Then suppose if you have any additional questions, you can read it here. Okay. So you can read it here if you have any additional questions. So registration will end on 2nd of November, and from 19th of November onwards, the test they will share, the recruitment team will start to share the aptitude test link, or the exam will be conducted. Click here on the register now button to apply for this TCS Smart Hiring process. If you are a new candidate, if you are a new user, click on register now button, otherwise click on the login. Okay. So let me click on register now button. Then after that you need to select IT, and you can see all these details. You need to give all these details. Click on submit. Okay, as I already mentioned the procedure, so please follow that and apply for this off campus drive, and I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching this video.